Hello cookies! We are making a lovely Asian fusion salad. We got some curry, coriander, turmeric, Indian spices sizzled up in a pan with olive oil or canola oil. You pick what you got. Got a few steamed green beans, some red bell pepper, carrots, cucumbers, celery, and red cabbage. Gonna mix that up with 2 kinds of lettuce and call it a Pan Asian, raw food, plant-based paleo salad. I've chopped everything up to my liking. I've got the lettuce, the cabbage fine. I've chopped up those carrots, celery, and green beans into small bite-sized pieces so they'll toss nicely in my salad. Now, for my salad dressing, I'm going to improvise right in this pan that I've cooked the seeds in. I'm going to see if I can give you a close-up of this. I would say there's about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. There's mustard seed, like brown mustard seed, a 1/4 teaspoon. There's a shake of turmeric and coriander powder. I'm going to continue with olive oil simply because that's what I sizzled those seeds in, and it's going to give my dressing some nice crunch. I used what I have on hand. That's what the Improv Cook does. This is a tempura dipping sauce that's been unopened. It's been sitting around for a while. It really just consists of soy sauce, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and then I've got about a teaspoon of that I'm going to start with, and then I'm going to press, using my garlic press, some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and some ginger in. So if you don't have fresh ginger or you do not like fresh ginger, then skip it entirely. So what I've got is a little bit of that olive oil, less than a tablespoon. I've got some of that tempura. I'm just going to stir it a bit. Now I'm going to have to add more of my olive oil to get this to a dressing consistency. And when I improvise dressings like this, I never know how much dressing I'm going to get. So sometimes it's a half a cup, sometimes a 1/4 cup, but I just keep adding ingredients until I get the taste I'm looking for. And since this is your salad dressing, add ingredients until you get the taste you're looking for. However much zing, however much tang. The additions you could add here would be more rice wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, or the olive of your choice. So I ended up with about 1/3 of a cup of that dressing, and I'm just going to put it to the side. Those are my chopped veggies. Into that I'm going to add some nice crisped revived romaine. See my revived lettuce tip on my other YouTube video. Pour in some of your mixed greens, your organic mixed greens. Chop up some of that romaine. Before I toss my lettuce, I am actually going to spin it. So if you have not invested in a salad spinner and you eat salads frequently, this is the best investment you'll ever make. This one is an OXO, and I've had it for at least 9 years. And so give that a nice spin, and that gets your water off of your leaves and helps your dressing hold onto the leaves better. So you have it clinging to your salad, and you can use less salad dressing, and you won't end up with a puddle on your plate. So I'm winging it with how much lettuce I'm going to put in. I typically make enough salad every evening to serve 2 as our main dish, and then enough left over for next day's lunch. So this is going to be almost, it's a restaurant-sized salad bowl. I'm going to fill that puppy, and then with my salad dressing, I'm only going to add it 1 tablespoon at a time. And the reason I do that is to control how much of it ends up on the leaves so that it's not soppy. Who wants a soppy salad? So this is what it looks like before I'm going to toss it, and this is what it looks like once it has been tossed. So that is your Pan Asian salad. If you're plant-based, you're going raw, you want just a salad every day like we do, this is the salad for you. Voila, cookies, there is your beautiful Pan Asian salad. This is going to be my main entree tonight, but for serving suggestions for you, guess what? Pair this up with some lovely baked tofu. We've got ours crisping and some brown rice. That'll make it a nice meal. Look for that video on the crisp tofu, the Improv Cook way, and now it's your turn. Go make it.